Hello everyone, this is my chess video from my YouTube channel. Okay, this is a St. Louis chess game in USA, women chess match, 4th Cairns Cup 2024, Kostanik Alexandra vs Lee Alex. Kostanik Alexandra playing white, Lee Alex playing black. In this match, how to Lee Alex playing black and he won the match. I am going to explain right now in the right time. Okay, let's start with first move. This move is e4. Okay, this is king's pawn opening. This is called book moves. Okay, another move, Lee Alex. He is going to play his pawn to e5. Okay, now Alexandra. Okay, he going to play his knight to f3. Okay, now the knight attacking the black pawn right now. In this case, Lee Alex going to play his knight to f6. Okay, now both players are attacking opponent's pawn by the knight. Okay, another move is white player Kostanik Alexandra going to cut the pawn right now. Okay, another move is d6. Lee Alex going to play d6. Okay, next move is d6. He plays d6. Lee Alex play d6. Then Alexandra now going to play his knight to f3. Okay, this is fourth move of Alexandra. Okay, another move of Alice. Okay, Lee Alex. Okay, her move is another move, knight cut the pawn. In this case, white player Alexandra going to think hardly and he make a purpose and better move right now. Okay, this is book moves also now going. This is Russian game Nymphomatic attack. Okay, another move of Alexandra. She plays knight to c3. Okay, now the knight attack the black knight. After that, black players Lee Alex. She cut the opponent knight right now. Okay, after that the knight attack the queen right now. In this case, Alexandra should be capture the knight by the white pawn. Otherwise, he lose queen. Okay, then Alexandra cut the knight. Okay, now the all open file right now, white cast. Okay, now black player Lee Alex. And the moves for bishop go to e7 right now. Okay, after that he's going to castling easily in the king side. Castling is easily to make. Okay, another move of Alexandra. She playing right now in the bishop f4. Okay, bishop playing f4. And another move of Lee Alex. She playing his castling, short castling right now, king side castling, she made. Okay, after that, the eighth move of Alexandra. Alexandra going to play queen, then she making a long castling after the move. Okay, now the black player Lee Alex, she playing his knight to d7. Okay, after that, beautiful castling, she made. Alexandra made a beautiful castling right now. This is the better move of chess. Okay, this game, Lee Alex is going to win this game. Okay, we will see how to she going to win this match. Okay, another move of Alexandra. Alexandra going to push his pawn to h4. Okay, pawn go to h4, and another move of Lee Alex. She playing his rook to here. Now both players are safety right now. After the move of Alexandra, Lee Alex is going to play the 11th move. Sorry, Alexandra playing 11th move of knight g5. Okay, we will see what's happening going to be. We will see how to handle this match. Lee Alex. Lee Alex is going to move his pawn to h6 now. Bishop going to cut and pawn going to cut. So that's why Alexandra how to handle this match. Okay, we will see. Alexandra going to bishop c4. Bishop c4. This is the big mistake. Yeah, this is the mistake. Because so the pawn got the knight. Okay, this is the so mistake moves. We will see another moves. Another move of 12th move of Lee Alex. She playing his bishop to here e6. This is blunder. Okay, this move is blunder because the knight cut the bishop immediately. Okay, another move of white player Alexandra going to play his. Okay, we will see. There is a knight here. Knight going to cut the bishop. So now the black queen going to under attack. White knight, Alexandra's knight. Okay. Another move of black turn. Black cut the knight. We will see. Go back and cut the knight. Then black going to play cut the knight. Then black cut the bishop. After that, white going to play his king to b1. Now safe. So many safe. White has 7 pawns. Black has 7 pawns. Bishop and 2 rook and a king, queen. Both players have same pieces, but Lee allies is safety now, I think. Okay, another move of black turn right now. Black Lee allies. C going to play his rook to f8. Okay. After that, black player going to play white player going to play queen. Queen go to e3. Okay. Now queen go to e3 and another move of queen here. Come to c8. Black queen come to c8. Okay. Another move of white queen go to e4. Okay. White queen go to e4 right now. Another move. Black go to. This is different move of black. Lee ally is going to play his rook to f7. Okay. Another move. The pawn go to. We can see right now. The pawn go to here. Sorry. We will see. Now the 19th move. Pawn. We will see. Sorry. Rook there. Now the pawn. Okay, we can go c4. Then rook b8. Then 19th move of bishop e3. Now the white bishop going to cut the black pawn. That's why black player Lee is going to play his pawn to here to b5. Okay. Another move of 20th move of Lee is no Alexandra going to cut his pawn, cut her pawn. Yeah. Now easily black cut the white cut the black cut the white pawn. Okay. Then now so many attack here. Now open file. Now Lee is going to win this match. Okay, we will see how to see going to win this match. Okay. Now Alexandra. Next moves. Sorry. Rook was here. Then rook go to b4. Then rook b4 and white turn right now. Queen. Queen come here. c2 safe to defend the pawn right now by the white queen. Now attacking the pawn by the white bishop. After that, then c5. Okay, c5. Now safely kiss rook. Okay, curve rook. Okay, sorry. Lee's rook is so safe. Another move of 23rd move of Alexandra. He puts kiss bishop pawn to g4. Then another move of Lee allies. Black turn. Black queen go to here. a6. Then white pawn to go to b3. Okay. Another move of b5. Okay. Now black turn. Black going to cut the pawn. Then black cut the c4. Okay. Then another move. Pawn go to g5. Okay. 26th move g5. We will see how to Lee is going to win this match. Another move of e goes d5. Black turn. Black going to play. Black did. E goes d5 and Alexandra going to play rook. Okay. Then another move of black turn. Black going to play his queen to here. Now attack the rook. So that's why Alexandra going to save his rook. That's why she playing his rook to g3. Another move of bishop come to here d6 and then attack the rook again. Another move of white turn f4. Black the cutting by the black bishop. Okay, another move of 30th move of black turn. Rook come here. Now pin the no pin. Now if she cut, we will see. If she cut by the pawn, there's a rook there. Rook at the queen easily. So that's why the rook come here. Okay, we will see. Another move of 30th move of Alexandra. Pawn cut the pawn. G goes h6. Then beautiful attack there. There is a pawn cut the pawn. And C goes b3. This is so many attacking patterns here. You can see right now. Rook. You can see c7 rook going to cut the c2 queen. Okay. Bishop cut the pawn. Rook cut the pawn. Queen cut the pawn. We will see how to handle this match. Alexandra. Next move of Alexandra. Queen. g6. There. We will go back now. Now g6. Okay. Another move of 30. First move of black. black cut and beautiful check there. In this case, white going to moves here a1. White king go to a1, then another move of bishop, come beautiful check. Now pawn got the bishop, no, king got the pawn. This is the big blunder. Okay, another move, 33. Okay, rook check right now. Okay, we will see key go back, c go back. Okay, his king go see kings go back to a1. Okay, another move, rook here, beautiful check. Why the discovered check right now? Now beautiful check. Then cut the bishop, f plus e5. Then black cut the pawn. In this case, this is 35th move of black turn. Black going to check right now. Now the game is over. He is resigned. Alexander going to resign this game because you can see right now, if two idea now check. If black the check, he cut the pawn. Then he need to black the rook. Then cut the rook. Then come here. Then one move checkmate. That's it. This is the game of the St. Louis, USA Women's Chess Tournament. Fourth Cairns Cup 2024. Day 2021 for 6-16. 4.5 round this match. Lee allies going to win this match. Okay. C won this match. Okay. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you so much.